Hello and welcome friends. The lockdown due to coronavirus pandemic has given birth to new talents in all of us. People are cooking, watching a lot of television, learning new skills. But when it comes to dealing with our children, we see ourselves struggle because we need to manage the household work, our office commitments, as well as the children who demand a lot of our attention all the time. So in this video, I'm going to share a few tips with you to engage our children during and even after the lockdown period.
This is one activity which will keep the children engaged along with other family members, so all of us can have some playtime together. This activity enhances the fine motor skills in children like hand-eye coordination, identifying shapes, colors, and textures, besides improving their creativity. Now this one is about encouraging more of physical activities in their daily routine. As parents, we should ensure to give our children some time to stretch their muscles and dance to their favorite music. We can also introduce them to yoga and meditation at an early age. My son of 3 years knows about meditation and yoga only by an act of observation, and I see him equally interested to join us in the practice. Well, I believe that's a great start to building a strong foundation at his age. We should always invite our children to the kitchen when we are cooking and let them observe, as they're always eager to learn new skills. And as we know that all kids love to use pans and other utensils as toys, let's not discourage them and let them make some noise. This is a great playtime for kids, which enhances their learning abilities and improves their creativity. You can also encourage their playtime by buying them their favorite toys like kitchen sets, doctor sets, tool sets, etc. You can also check out the links I've given in this video to shop for your kids on Amazon.in. I've mentioned these links in the video description as well. A lot of parents always struggle with eating habits of their children. The kids are picky eaters and they don't want to eat all the veggies and the fruits. So here is how you can help. Hand over eatables like carrots, bananas, or other fruits and play songs or rhymes about food habits. Let them enact and explore it on their own. We should always leave our kids on their own for a few hours to let them play what they want. Let them explore and identify their passion or hobby. At the same time, let's provide them with some interesting toys like puzzles, blocks, musical instruments, writing boards, abacus, or whatever they show interest in. These type of toys will help in developing their brain along with their fine motor skills. Apart from playtime, we should also assign a portion of their time to engage them in learning new skills. It can be a new language, mathematics, writing alphabet, or improving their overall communication and cognitive skills. Most of a baby's brain development happens in the first 2 years of his life, and that's why the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends restricting the screen time for younger children. As per AAP, babies younger than 18 months should have no screen time at all. Toddlers between 18 to 24 months can start to enjoy some screen time with their parents. By age 2 to 3, kids should watch no more than 1 hour per day. Too much or poor quality screen time has been linked to poor vision and obesity, irregular sleep schedules and shorter duration of sleep, behavioral problems, loss of social skills, violence, and less time for play. Life is busy, and that's why many parents don't get to spend enough time with their kids. But watch this. A recent study in the Journal of Marriage and Family mentions that spending quality time with parents is essential for children of all age groups. This has an overall impact on their academic achievement, their social behavior, as well as their emotional well-being. Hence, we now know the importance of spending quality time with our children. It may just mean sitting with them, having a conversation. We might also want to play their favorite games to make them feel more valued. These days, and especially during this period of lockdown, most of the kids are restricted to the boundaries of their home. But it's essential for kids to explore outdoor play. We may not be able to send them to community parks or their friend's house. However, we must take them out and expose them to nature for a given duration each day. We can take them to our terrace, our lawns, or just take them out for a walk outside the house. Exploring the outside environment helps in their physical development, teaches them basic life skills, and helps boost their fitness and immunity. At the same time, it lowers the risk of diabetes, heart problems, and obesity. It's a known fact that children who play outdoors develop a positive attitude towards life.
So guys, I hope this information really helps parents in dealing with their children more efficiently and helps in engaging them in more creative activities rather than crying for their parents' attention all the time. So leave your kids on their own to explore their imagination and feed their curiosity. I've also shortlisted and mentioned few links in the description of this video where you can find creative and engaging toys for your kids on Amazon.in. So I hope you try these engaging activities with your kids and let me know your feedback in the form of emails, messaging, comments. So till then, I wish you great family time and see you soon.